Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download OpenEVSE control interface files, complete guide step by step clearly. To download OpenEVSE control interface files, begin by ensuring you have a stable internet connection. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the official OpenEVSE website URL. Once the site loads, navigate to the Downloads section. Look for the section specifically designated for control interface files. Click on the link to access the control interface files. You will see a list of available files. Identify the file that corresponds to your specific version and requirements. Click on the file link to start the download process. Wait for the download to complete. Once finished, locate the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder. If necessary, extract the contents of the file using a file extraction tool. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the file structure included in the download. Refer to the documentation provided on the website for any additional setup instructions. After extracting, you will be ready to configure the OpenEVSE control interface files for your use. Double-check everything to ensure that you have all needed files. That concludes the download process for OpenEVSE control interface files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.